Hey guys, today I'll show you how to install Mitsubishi GX developer software. This is the ISO file, uh, and you can make it DVD or CD with this ISO file, just a few clicks. But if you don't wish to make a CD or DVD, you can just make it as a virtual file, virtual CD or DVD. To make this file as virtual CD or DVD, you have to use any other third-party software. Like I have used Ultra ISO software. So once you install Ultra ISO software, you will get the Ultra ISO icon like this. So this will create a virtual CD or DVD. So after installing the Ultra ISO software, first contact with the vendor or software supplier for the serial number, because you need a serial number to install the software. Once you get the serial, then you just start installing. This is the file, right mouse click and Ultra ISO and mount to drive E. So once I click this, it will just mount to E drive. You see, this is the file. Okay, so gx developer u.exe. This is the installation file. So click there and yes. Okay, then click just install software. You have to remind that first you have to click the MailSoft environment. Never click GX developer first, because MailSoft environment is essential to install the software component. So if you don't install the component, then GX developer will not function properly. First I am clicking MailSoft environment. Okay, now my MailSoft environment installation is complete. Now it's time to install GX developer. Click the GX developer. Okay, next you can put your company name. Next, yes, just here put the serial number that you got from your vendor. Next. Installation complete. And if you, at the end of the installation, if you get any USB device error, that will not be a problem for your software, because that in some Windows 10 or some others, USB driver may be problem. So USB driver is not necessary for the GX developer software. Once you get the programming cable, and inside the programming cable you will get the USB driver, so just install that USB driver would be okay. So GX developer software completed. Here is the software, and now you can create project, new project, all like this. Thanks for watching this video.